What's up, YouTube? Natural Nails Renee here, and today I have a video on some goodies that I received for free with my last order from ZOYA. It is their Naked Manicure Rescue and Repair Save My Nails kit. This was free with my order because I bought that much product. So let's get this bad boy opened. See what's hitting for. All right, how to use, gives you how to use, prep, rescue, repair. Okay, then there's pictures of people's nails before and after. Okay, it contains rescue serum, repair base, freeway nail file, and orangewood stick. Okay, let's get this opened up. I like the bag and I like the color. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a nice bag. Cute little bag to travel with. Okay, that's not it. And that has encased bag. Okay. Pretty much what I read, and just a little more deeper. Oh, okay. They're showing their different Naked Manicure effectors. I know I have the pink, and then there's buff, then there's nude, and there's mauve, and then there's lavender. Okay. And I do have, oh, that's men's. No. I have the glossy seal and the ultra glossy seal, I believe. Or do I have, I think I have I know I have the glossy seal, and then I think I have the naked base and the glossy seal, I believe. Anyway. Oh, no, I'm not going to do that because they're situated this way. Trizash. Oh, okay, this is cool. I like this nail file. Shape 400. Refine 600. Oh. Refine is this, and buff is the gray. Okay. That is cute. And then here is the orangewood stick. And then here are the repair base and the serum. Okay, let's see what it is hitting for. Oh my gosh, I just realized I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put these. Okay, that's the repair base. What makes the repair base so different? It does not. It's hard to read. So little. Let's see what the serum is hitting for. Oh, okay. I want to see. Okay, it has their regular old sucky brush in it, but well, okay, it's a base serum. No, I'm sorry. Repair base, and then this is the serum, rescue serum. Let's see what the consistency is. Oh my gosh, oh, it has, oh, this, oh wow, look at that. Okay. Looks like it needs to be shaken. I don't know if it'll move around because it looks like, well, it doesn't look real thick. The serums tend to be a little thicker than your typical making bubbles. Okay. What does it say to do exactly with this serum? Prep now. Rescue serum. Apply a pea-sized amount of the rescue serum to one fingertip. Use half the amount for each hand. Distribute evenly among fingernails and massage in until absorbed. Rub to dry. Do not wash off. And then third is, okay, the serums first and then the repair base. Okay, makes sense. Apply a thin coat of the repair base directly on top of the rescue serum. Okay. And there you have it. It's my free gift from ZOYA. What is it called? The Rescue and Repair Naked Manicure Rescue and Repair Kit. So, y'all have a good one. The serum, the base coat. Peace.